Let's make an eyeglass holder. For this project you will need scraps of number 3 cotton thread, size E crochet hook, darning needle, and scissors. Grab your hook and thread, and let's go. To begin, make a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2 will count as a half double crochet. Now make 2 more half double crochets in the ring. Now chain 2 and make 3 half double crochets in the ring. To make our hanging hole, chain 5 and then make 3 half double crochets in the ring. Now chain 2 and make 3 half double crochets in the ring. To end the round, chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain 2. At this time I like to tighten my ring completely and weave in the beginning tail. To begin round 2, slip stitch into each of the next stitches and into the chain 2 space. Now chain 1 and yarn over your hook. Insert your hook into the chain 2 space and draw up another loop on your hook. Do this again so you have 5 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and draw the loop through all 5 loops on your hook. You have made a beginning half double crochet cluster. Now chain 2 and make a 3 half double crochet cluster in the same loop. Do this twice for a total of 3 clusters and 2 chain 2 spaces in the chain 2 space. Now chain 2 and make 3 double crochet clusters in the next chain 5 space, making 2 chains between each cluster. We are making the bottom a little longer by making double crochet clusters instead of half double crochets. To make a double crochet cluster, start a double crochet stitch, but do not finish it and draw through the last 4 loops. Now chain 2 and make 3 half double crochet clusters in the next chain 2 space, having 2 chains between each half double crochet cluster. Notice how the sides are narrower. Now chain 2. Make 3 double crochet clusters in the top chain 2 space, making sure to have 2 chains between each cluster. To end the round, chain 2 and slip stitch into the tip of the beginning cluster. Round 3. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same tip. Then make 2 single crochets in the next chain 2 space. In the tip of this cluster, make a single crochet and then chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain from the hook for a picot. Now single crochet back into the same stitch. Make 2 single crochets in the next chain, 2 loop. Repeat this pattern around. In the tip of each cluster, make a single crochet, a picot, and a single crochet. Make 2 single crochets in each chain 2 loop until you get to the second top double crochet cluster. Once you are at the tip of the center top double crochet cluster, single crochet into it, and then make your hanging chain. I made 20 chains so the eyeglass holder would sit tight to my yarn bag, but make more chains if you want your hanging loop to be longer. Now make 2 single crochets in the next chain 2 loop on the main piece. Make a single crochet, a picot, and a single crochet in the top of the next cluster. Make 2 single crochets in the last chain 2 space. And in the tip of the last cluster, make a single crochet, a picot, and a slip stitch into the beginning single crochet. End off and weave in your ends. This is how your eyeglass holder should look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe to my channel to always be notified of new videos.